So this issue with some prominent local football clubs, two big Premier League teams in Portmore United and Cavaliers FC, as well as former Kingpins Santos FC, they have all been scolded by the Ministry of Sport, yes, for allegedly breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act for being involved in some warm-up preseason football games. Of course, Jamaica is still under COVID-19 restrictions, with no more than 15 persons allowed to gather in the same public space, which any full football game would obviously violate. So the ministry wrote to the clubs warning of possible sanctions and blah, blah, blah. But you know, say, my sympathies are with the clubs with this one. Again, these are football clubs with football players and football coaches. Football is what they do. And in fairness, the Premier League clubs were preparing for a November 14th restart of the league, including these covert attempts at getting some actual football under their belt. Additionally, I am still not fully convinced that significant, if any, COVID-19 transmission takes place from player to player on a football field. So with no spectators involved, these practice games could conceivably be low-risk activities. But them wrong still. Yes. We sympathize with the clubs, but them wrong. Yes. So minister, ease them up. Ease them up. No pressure them, minister. Please, minister. Please, please, please. Pretty please. No. Please, minister. Pretty please, no pressure them too much. Ease them up, minister. Lock them up.